In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable your flight information from appearing in your mails on Outlook. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your Outlook account and then go to Settings. Under Settings, choose Mail and then Compose and Reply Mail option. Scroll down up to the last option where you can see Microsoft Edge Autofill. And here told Outlook can make flight information in your inbox or mailbox available directly in Microsoft Edge to help speed your check-in later. So if you don't want this, you can disable this by toggling it off. And by doing so, now your flight information will not be available in Microsoft Edge. To save the changes, click on Save and this will now be effected. So that's how you can disable Microsoft Edge autofill for your flight information in Outlook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.